Hello, welcome to Training Manager, a web-based management system to simplify all of your school's training operations. Are you a manager of a school that provides corporate adult ed? Do you manage a language school? If so, then managing training is easy when using Training Manager. Via Training Manager, you and your clients have instant access to all timesheets, invoices, stats, and reports. So why is Training Manager becoming so popular? Consider the following. Are invoice errors costing you money or making you look bad in front of clients? Are you tired of your teacher's messy timesheets that are full of mistakes? Would you like to reduce your operating expenses by 10 to 20%? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then you'll be happy to know that Training Manager was designed to save you money and make your school more efficient. So how do we do that? Well, how much time and money do you think you could save if, rather than having to regularly calculate things like student attendance, hours provided, and hours remaining, if this tedious work was always done for you? Or what about if your school's timesheets were computer-generated, error-free, and always precise? Best of all, how much faster could you produce your invoices if they were automatically generated by a computer instead of calculating everything by hand? Now here are some real-world practical examples of how Training Manager can help you do your job better and faster than before. Let's say we're the first of the month. You arrive to work. You turn on your computer and log into Training Manager. You click on your Timesheets tab and notice that your teacher, Napoleon Bonaparte, has just submitted his timesheet for training he provided last month. You have a quick look at the timesheet to determine that everything is correct, and you approve it. Upon doing so, the system will automatically generate an invoice for your client and payroll for your teacher. Nothing to it. Later that morning, your client calls to ask you to provide a summary of training expenses for this fiscal year. Simple enough. All you do is click on the Contracts tab, and in an instant you're provided with the total hours of training you provided your client and the total dollars you charged, both on a monthly basis. Now you've just come back from lunch and find that Training Manager has just emailed you your projections for the next month. Notice that your groups are all featured here. Notice that we're calculating your total hours per week. Finally, notice that we also calculate your gross profit on a weekly basis. All of this is done to help you manage your company more efficiently. Now you're probably thinking that with all these great features, Training Manager could end up being an expensive solution for your organization. Not so. You'll be happy to know that Training Manager is a flexible solution that can be customized to any budget. In fact, it should save you 2 to 3 times more than it costs. Now that you've seen how Training Manager can simplify your paperwork, give us a call and we'll show you what Training Manager can do for you. For more information, call us at 1-888-764-4318 or visit us on the web at www.tmsproducts.ca. Training Manager. You take care of your students, leave your paperwork to us.